What's up? It's your guy. I know I gotta put content up. I haven't had the time to edit a lot of stuff I'm working on. Plus, I'm working on a bunch of new stuff. Obviously, pushing my paper. I got some DTF stuff. Okay, it's not a secret anymore. I got some DTF stuff going. A lot of stuff behind the scenes I need to finish. But I at least wanted to stop everything I was doing because one of my boys sent me a DM. He says, man, look, I was on YouTube and I was watching Big Brandoh and I had to stop because I thought he said the t-shirt buddy, and he was talking about sublimation paper. So I had to go back after he was done and I realized he was talking about you. And so he sent me that. I hadn't seen it yet. And it was Big Brandoh, of course, like I was saying. That's one of my homies, a pioneer in this business. If you don't know who Big Brandoh is, which I'm sure a gazillion of you do already, but for those that don't know, Big Brandoh is one of today's biggest influencers within this t-shirt community and some, and one of the realest cats that I know, hands down. But he took the time to drop a quick promo on my buddy paper, Sublimation Paper. He also spoke about my boy, one of my very close friends, E from Garment Creations. He has a sublimation paper called GC Sub, and so he gave us some love. And I want to play a few right now, then we'll wrap this video up, but check this out.
Sublimation paper, not so pricey. And there's a bunch of dope YouTube content creators that sell their own paper now too. I think the t-shirt buddy got his own paper, and I think the homie from Garment Creations got his own paper too. There might be other people out there that have their own paper, but those are the two that I could think off the top that have their own sublimation paper. So check them out if you're into that stuff. Chances are you already follow them and already aware, but if you're not aware, the t-shirt buddy and Garment Creations, they got their own paper.
There you have it. That's my boy. Thank you, Brandoh. Thank you again. I know I've told you already. I'll tell you again, like I tell many of my other friends, is I appreciate you. I admire you so much, dude. I can't thank you enough for what you do for all of us, for the information that you continue to provide us, for the doors that you can continue to help open for us, and for being an amazing father, family man, everything you do. I knew you was a real one from the first moment that I popped on a YouTube video. And let me tell you that story really fast. Back in 2019, before COVID happened, I was dabbling with the t-shirt thing, and I happened to come across Brandoh on YouTube. And this is so funny. You know, I'm big on speaking things into existence. I had not yet built this business yet. I was the t-shirt buddy then, I'm the t-shirt buddy now. But he was doing a live, and I said in the comments, we're gonna work together one day. I'm gonna see you one day, man. And I dropped it a couple times, and so he actually saw the comment and he was like, the t-shirt buddy, and he giggled a little bit. He was like, that's kind of catchy. He says, yeah, you know what? I'll see you maybe at ISS in Long Beach, one of these days coming up, right? Then COVID happened, but I always knew that we would connect, and it's amazing to be a part of the circle that these guys are in. So with that being said, thank you for the promo. Thank you for everything you do. And for those of you that don't have my sublimation paper yet, if you're into sublimation paper, please pick up. That's the buddy paper. I have them in 13 by 19s, 11 by 17, 8.5 by 11s. I'm not doing the 8.5 by 14s just yet, but we'll get there. Also, he mentioned my boy E, Garment Creations. This is his paper. That's that GC Sub. Below, there'll be links for all my guys. Like I always say, if I ever run out of paper, GC Sub and Craft and Besties, that's my homegirl Sasha. Those are the two brands that I would use, that I highly recommend, that I work with closely for some of the best sublimation paper, hands down. The only paper I rock with is my own and those two. And I want y'all to continue rocking with my boy Big Brandoh like I do. Brandoh, much love. I appreciate you. And on that note, I'm out.